Hi everyone, I'm Molly, and today I'm running around like a chicken with its head cut off. So Cam and I just found out that the Halloween party we're supposed to be going to tomorrow night is 90s themed. So now we're scrambling trying to figure out what to do that is going to be cost effective, inexpensive. I'm not looking to spend $40+ per costume, and something that will fit the theme and that people will get. So I have something in mind that will require a quick DIY, but I think we can pull it off and it'll work out. So in case you're like me and have a last minute change of plans or need a last minute costume, hopefully this video will be of some inspiration and help you out. Was anyone else shook when they realized Joanne isn't Joanne's possessive? Who is Joanne? Is it her fabric and crafts? Unrelated to this DIY, I found some glittery felt for another DIY. Don't mind the mess that's going on right now. I'm working on a painting. But for this DIY, all you're going to need is some transfer paper, as well as an apron, a waist apron specifically, and of course, printer and computer. So I have the apron all laid out, so now I'm just going to go ahead and take the transfer paper and the thing that I'm printing and do that so then I can iron that on. Make sure that when you're printing on transfer paper that you're changing the paper type to t-shirt transfer paper, just so you don't have to reverse the actual design in your Word doc, and so the quality is good on this type of paper since it isn't like normal paper. So I cut around the design, getting rid of as much transfer paper as possible just because it'll make the design a lot cleaner when you iron it on. But yeah, transfer paper is awesome for getting designs and things onto fabrics. You can make your own designs, but if you're using somebody else's design, make sure you're taking the necessary steps in order to actually use it, whatever way that may be. But yeah, love transfer paper. Now to iron it on. So at this point you can probably guess that I'm going as Rachel from Friends and Cam's going to be going as Ross. So for that outfit I'm just using items that I had in my wardrobe. So I'm using this denim button-down shirt from Target. Then I have my black wool skirt from J. Crew, some black tights. These particular tights are from Target and they're not super opaque, so it'll kind of give a more sheer look, which Rachel tended to wear. And then for shoes I have these black booties from boohoo.com, and they're just kind of like a Chelsea boot, but any black booty would do for this outfit. And really the last piece that kind of sells it as Rachel from Friends is the apron I just DIY'd, as well as, if you're so inclined, you can carry around a mug. Yay coffee. If you're wanting to be one of the characters from Friends, just have a look at kind of what outfits they tend to wear. For Rachel in particular, she likes her skirts, button-down tops, or mock neck shirts. So yeah, just Google them, see kind of what they tend to wear. So yeah, this is the look. So Cam is just gonna wear, I think, these blue jeans and just a simple sweater. Ross is also known for wearing, button-downs and plaid and things like that. So pretty simple. Most of the characters in Friends are kind of easy to pull off, just classic pieces. So yeah, not bad for an impromptu couples costume.